Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to restore default icons on Windows 10. So how to do this, let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. First of all, you can go to your search box and type a run, and after doing this type a percentage app data and percentage, press enter. After opening that, you can go to your views option and go to your options and change folder and search options. After doing this you can go to your view options and select the show hidden files, folders and drives. After doing this, click on a OK button and go to your app data. After that, to opening a folder's name is local, and scroll down and find out a file name is icon caches. So select it and click on the right click and click on a delete button. After doing this restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this your problem has been fixed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.